Tell me about the strengths and weaknesses of private real estate. This is
Okay.
yeah.
I'm gonna be very picky, Adam, because what I'm gonna tell you right now, I would not have said 2 months ago. Okay, and I would not have said in 2009, for example. Okay, so I feel that the situation we're in, you said the COVID crisis, the situation we're in, I believe should be categorized as a government action. And since if it's a government action, that means it can be reversed, right? So look at China and South Korea where they reversed it and they're getting back to normal. So now it could become a recession or depression if it drags on long enough. And I very much believe in the sort of the U recovery with a possible second U or a small W if we haven't yet again next season. Okay. So the reason I'm stating that is that I think that's important to the thesis of what do you do on the private side. When we have this kind of situation, let's say it is a recession or it looks like a recession. Okay? Whether it's the government action or a recession, it looks and acts like a recession. So if it looks and acts like a recession, there are two areas among kind of 5 sectors within private real estate that I particularly like right now. Multifamily unit and rentals, okay, like apartment rentals. If you look back in 2009 to 2012, what parts of real estate did well? Those two. Why? People couldn't buy homes. Factories were not expanding. Industrial wasn't expanding. They couldn't get loans. So what was actually going up? Rentals. Okay, so you saw rentals, multifamily unit, condos, apartment complex, rent. And so if you're investing on the private side in real estate, my recommendation, TurnKeough recommendation, is rent. Because people, especially millennials, I feel a lot of millennials I feel are really unfortunate situations where they can't invest the way I did. I'm 50 when I was in my 30s. So I feel really feel a pain for them. And what's the challenge for them and everyone is that rental actually goes up in recession, right? It's kind of hard to find the things that work in recession, right? It seems to be a strange thing to say, but in every phase of the economic cycle, you can make money. So in recessions, you can make money off rentals, and rental income is very steady. In fact, your occupancy goes up. Instead of 75 to 85, you might have 90 to 95% occupancy, and multifamily unit goes up as well. Townhouse or townhouse strips, almost you see those in the UK as well. The townhouse strips, and people rent them out. I mean, so you get the townhouse communities are completely filled up, and so if you're investing, that's where you should go. I don't like industrials. I don't like a single family because those are debt-based, and if the debt blows up, you're back to the derivative crisis. I don't like industrial because you have to put large amounts of investments into them intermittently, and you can't predict when it's going to happen. You need new air conditioning. There's asbestos. A new regulation comes on board, and now you got to do this, that, or the other thing. And so those are the two particular areas